If your wallet looks like a ghost town, don't worry. You're a future entrepreneur with endless potential. Let's turn zero cash into business success. It all starts with a spark of creativity and a dash of determination. First things first, let's identify your skills. Take a moment to reflect on what you excel at naturally. What are you naturally good at? Think about your hobbies, your passions, and the tasks you find effortless. Writing, designing, coding, teaching. These are all valuable skills that can be the foundation of your business. Choose a business idea that aligns with these strengths. This alignment will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. This way, you can avoid upfront costs and hit the ground running. Your passion will drive you forward. Next, validate your business idea. This step is crucial to ensure there's a market for your product or service. Offer free samples or trials to gather feedback. This will help you refine your offering and build trust with potential customers. Use social media or surveys like Google Forms to test demand. Engage with your audience and listen to their needs. Don't skip this step, it's crucial. Validating your idea can save you time and resources in the long run. Now let's talk business models that cost $0. There are several ways to start a business without any capital. Consider freelancing or consulting, writing, design, marketing, coaching, you name it. These services require minimal investment. How about affiliate marketing or dropshipping? These models allow you to sell products without holding inventory. Service-based businesses and content creation are also fantastic options. You can offer your expertise or create valuable content. Use free tools and platforms to get started. There are many resources available that won't cost you a dime. Build your website on Wix, WordPress, or Card. These platforms offer free plans to help you establish an online presence. Market your business through social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn. These platforms are powerful tools for reaching your audience. For design, try Canva or GIMP, and for operations, check out Trello and Google Workspace. These tools can help you stay organized and professional. Don't forget the power of bartering. Trading your skills can be a great way to get what you need without spending money. Trade your skills for something you need. Design a logo for website hosting, for example. This can help you build your business without cash. Leverage free marketing strategies like organic social media, networking in Facebook groups, and asking happy clients for referrals. Word of mouth is powerful. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and help you grow your business without spending a fortune. Once you start making money, reinvest those early earnings in essential tools or ads. This will help you scale your business gradually. Gradually scale up by automating processes with tools like Zapier and outsourcing tasks on Fiverr or Upwork. This will free up your time to focus on growth. Remember, start small and hustle hard. Every big business started with small, consistent efforts. Be resourceful and find free alternatives for everything. There are countless free resources available if you know where to look. Your journey to business success begins now. Take that first step with confidence and determination. Ready to take the leap? Let's do this. Your future as a successful entrepreneur starts today.